Coming outside. Dare one of y'all to make noise. Come on now, underneath this. Give me a coincidence. One of y'all molars, or if one of the people next door here. No coincidence out here, baby. That's how things look out here now, system. That's how things sound. You hear it? Nice and smooth, It's like a rap group from the 90s. And roosters. Nobody has roosters, chickens around here. The cars riding by, nice and smooth, though. If I was in that room right now, those cars would be jolting forward. Gas pedal, the accelerator mashed down, right? Mashed all down, that accelerator. Just to jolt that car forward. You know what I'm saying? Jolt that little car forward, dog. And decelerate. Just to make the little noise. See all this? Nice out here. Nice and smooth out here. Watch out, man. We ain't got no time for you corny ass motherfuckers down there. Over here, man. Suck a dick down there. Rat ass neighborhood, right? It's like a federal dog reserve camp. This shit over here. Nice and smooth driving, right? See this going off in my head? A little moment. Watch for this person that did that ride by here. Decelerated. See, they did it right in front of me, dog. And decelerated after they rode past here. Shout out to you. I got that on video, bro. Yeah, that's how they make the noise. But it still don't sound as heavy as being inside, though, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, real crazy, though. If I was inside, I would barely hear that noise, Sound lighter out here, a little bit more light, you know what I'm saying? Don't be sounding like some of the crazy ones you see around here. And you can still see people, dog, still keeping the motion of driving 40, man. And they still reacting, man, on system. But it's a little bit subtle, more subtle, where people is trying to be more slick and keep it, not to really be. Watch when I go back in the house and listen to the difference, you know what I'm saying? How the shit from the sound.